BrownGirlBella.
Hi babes, it's me Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. If you came to see the new Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize Holiday Edition, stay with me. Okay, so you're going to notice a drastic difference between this look and the film I actually did with this palette. But in editing, I noticed that the first part of this film was not recorded. I hate that. I need to get a new SD card because it's rewriting itself. So I wanted to make sure that I bring you a close-up of the palette as well as all of the shades. So I'm going to do my swatches and give you that close-up right now. So here is the new Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette. Like most of her palettes, she's numbered them 1, 2, and 3. And she gives you this insert. Number 1 is to prime, number 2 is to enhance, and number 3 is the smoke. So each of them are set up in those 3 categories. 1 prime, 2 enhance, 3 smoke. So I'm going to go through each of these and share with you what they look like. The first 3 is called Happy Glow. So Happy Glow, this is number 1. Happy Glow number 2. And Happy Glow number 3. So that is Happy Glow. The next 3 are called Love Glow. This is Love Glow number 1. Love Glow number 2. And Love Glow number 3. Okay, let me do that a little deeper. The next 3 are called Dream Glow. So here's Dream Glow number 1, Dream Glow number 2, and Dream Glow number 3. The last 3 are Seduce Glow. Here's the first one, the second one, and number 3. So here are all the shades swatched on my arm. Happy Glow, first 3, Love Glow, the second 3, followed by Dream Glow and Seduce Glow. Now we will continue with our regularly scheduled program, already in progress. I always wanted to say that. Hi babes, if you are new here, my name is Shannon B and you are watching BrownGirlBella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. Today we're going to take that deep dive into Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize by Charlotte Tilbury. Again, this is what the palette looks like. It's a beautiful color story, perfect for the holidays. And without further delay, let's get into it. Now, I've already done some prep work, put on my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I did my eyebrows and a little bit of concealer, but I have not set yet. So I'm going to do that now. To set underneath my eyes today, I'm going to use this sample that I got from Beautylish, and it is the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. It's supposed to be very hydrating and very good. So I am excited to try it. Comes with the little sponge here. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of the powder. Kick it up a little bit. Wingas small artist brush. I'm just going to pat that underneath. The powder is very, very fine. And I like the coverage. So I literally love this. This is really nice. It feels great underneath your eyes. Okay, now let's get into the shades. I think today I'm gonna do a mixture of the Happy Glow and the Seduced Glow. So I'm gonna start off with the Happy Glow, shade number 2, the one in the middle. And I'm gonna put this right in the crease. And right away I'm getting a nice pigmentation. I'm going to brush this all the way up to the brow bone. I'm getting a nice saturation of color here. And that was the first dip. Very nice. I love the palette size and I love the weight of the palette. It feels very nice in my hand. And the long mirror is perfect as well. So I'm going to brush off this brush, cleaning it off, and I'm going to dip into the Seduced Glow, the second shade there, and I'm just going to deepen that outer V. And pull it out just a tad. So I got a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to brush that off. And the same with the other side. These colors are really beautiful. Taking the Sonia G flat soft shader, I'm going to take that last shade in Seduced Glow and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Concentrating it in that middle section. Again, I'm very impressed with the pigmentation here. It's very nice. And now on the other side of the brush, I'm going to use the first shade in Seduce Glow, and I'm going to go into that inner corner and just put that color right in that side and bring it up to the second shade. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back to Seduce Glow, that second shade, and run that on the bottom lower half, bringing it up to the top to sort of define that V even further. And brushing off that brush, I'm going to go into Happy Glow, the first shade, and I'm going to throw that underneath the brow bone. So I'm going to finish off the rest of the face now that we've used the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize, and then I will be back with my final thoughts. And here is the completed look, everyone. So I cannot say enough about this Charlotte Tilbury palette. I love this. Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. You did that. I also did get her limited edition highlighter also in this packaging, but it wasn't ready. I didn't receive it by the time this video is going up. So I will insert a picture of what it looks like, and when it comes in, I will definitely do another look with the other two that I didn't feature in this video. So stay tuned for that. I cannot say enough about this. The link and the cost of this palette will be in the description box below. If you can, get it for yourself or someone you love. Perfect holiday gift for that fashionista makeup artist in your family. I know I'm going to enjoy this palette. I'm very happy with how Charlotte Tilbury is doing her products these days. There are lots of pigmentation. The colors are spot on. They're very flattering to brown girls. So this is definitely a brown girl friend. Pick it up if you can. I love you guys for watching. Until next time, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.